What's going on?
It's maybe like it's plaster that they put a pattern in to make it look decorative.
And that's behind the bathroom in the coach house. Little built-in cabinet.
It's on both walls. It's covered by the cabinet.
That's where the bathtub is.
And it might be
And this is John. John, what's going on there?
Up.
John's a Pullman resident, friends of Pullman all the way. So, yeah.
That's neat. Interesting to see what's behind all this.
Yeah, I wonder if it was carried throughout the bathtub, the bathroom 14, and the walls currently do not have anything. So, we'll find out.
It might.
Cheers from the Greystone.
It might come up here.